If you want wide, round, 3D-looking shoulders, it's not just about doing more exercises, it's about doing the right ones. Today, I'm breaking down the best and worst shoulder exercises based on biomechanics, tension, safety, and progression. Everything you need to know to choose smart movements that actually grow muscle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which shoulder exercises deserve a spot in your workouts and which ones you can skip. Let's jump in. Let's start with a quick reminder. Your shoulders, or deltoids, have three distinct heads. The front, anterior, delts, raise your arm forward. The side, lateral delts, lift your arm out to the side. The rear, posterior, delts, pull your arm backward. If you want balanced shoulders, you must hit all three. But here's the catch. Many lifters accidentally overtrain their front delts and neglect the side and rear heads, leading to imbalances and even injury risk. That's why today's list will slightly favor side and rear delt exercises, which are often undertrained but crucial for that athletic capped shoulder look. First up, the standing dumbbell lateral raise. This is the most popular side delt movement, and it's simple, accessible, and time efficient. But here's the truth. It has a flawed tension curve. When your arms hang at your sides, where your delts are most stretched, there's almost no tension. The real work only kicks in when you hit about 90 degrees at the top. That said, dumbbell laterals still work and have built plenty of impressive delts over decades. For me, they're solid, but they're not elite. If you lean against a bench or a rack and perform lean-in lateral raises, you improve the tension profile, hitting the stretched position more effectively. This makes them more effective than standard dumbbell raises. A cool variation called the Super ROM lateral raise takes it even further, focusing on fully contracting the side delt. But remember, while the squeeze feels good, recent evidence suggests that the stretch portion may be more important for muscle growth. Now, the controversial one, the overhead press. Many love it, many hate it. So, where does it really stand? Yes, the overhead press is impressive. It's a heavy lift that challenges your entire shoulder girdle, along with your core and even lower body for balance. It provides great tension in the stretch and is fantastic for building strength. But for pure hypertrophy, it's mostly front delt dominant, and the balance demands mean some tension is lost compared to machine or seated versions. If you want to make it more hypertrophy friendly, switch to a seated dumbbell overhead press. Better stability, slightly better range of motion, and more side delt involvement. Or even better, use a machine shoulder press. You eliminate balance challenges, focus entirely on the pressing muscles, and can safely push close to failure, making it one of the top picks for front delt growth. Let's go deeper into side delt territory. The cable lateral raise is arguably one of the best hypertrophy tools for the side delts. Why? Cables provide constant tension throughout the range, including the stretched position, something dumbbells simply can't match. Whether you use D handles, wrist cuffs, or even hold on to small objects like lacrosse balls to reduce forearm distraction, the key is controlled reps and a steady progression over time. An advanced option is the behind-the-back cuffed lateral raise, which lets you train both arms at once with incredible stretch tension and efficiency. Yes, it looks a bit gimmicky, but it works. For the rear delts, skip the overhyped, often overcomplicated moves and go straight to proven winners. The reverse pec deck is amazing. Consistent tension, chest supported, and hard to cheat. For an even deeper stretch, try sitting sideways and working one arm at a time. Yes, it takes more time, but the results are worth it. Another top-tier rear delt move, the reverse cable crossover. Crossing your arms over increases range of motion, provides even tension, and allows you to alternate which arm crosses on top to prevent imbalances. This is one of my personal favorite rear delt builders. Now, which exercises can you probably skip? Front raises. Unless you're someone with very underdeveloped front delts, or you can't press due to injury. Front raises are mostly redundant. Any pressing work in your program already blasts the anterior delts. Save your energy for exercises that hit the areas you're missing. Also, banded lateral raises are generally less effective compared to dumbbells or cables, simply because they provide zero tension at the bottom where the muscle is most stretched. Unless bands are all you have, opt for other tools. So, if I had to pick, best front delt builder, machine shoulder press, or seated dumbbell press. Best side delt builder, cable lateral raise, or behind the back cuffed lateral raise. Best rear delt builder, reverse cable crossover, or sideways reverse pec deck. And the most overrated shoulder move, front raises. Not bad, but usually unnecessary if you're pressing regularly. Final takeaway, building bigger, stronger, more defined shoulders isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right exercises with consistent progression. Focus on exercises that challenge the muscle under stretch, feel smooth and safe, and allow you to gradually add weight or reps over time. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more science-backed training videos designed for real results. Drop a comment below. I'm ready for 3D shoulders. If you're adding these exercises to your next workout, train train smart, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.